welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would show you how I use my Dyson Air Wrap to do my hair. So right now I just got it at the shower and I use the Olaplex shampoo and the Olaplex conditioner. So I just got out and then I just put it up in a towel just to keep it, to get it more dry before I use heat from my Dyson. So this video was pretty requested by my friends, by my family, to see like what my review was of it. So I've had the Dyson now for 2 months and I would say it's definitely very much worth it. I have extremely curly, thick hair that's also pretty texturized. So I find it very hard to curl my hair, straighten my hair, other than its original curl. So I'll just take it out of this right now. And this is also a hack. So if you have any type of hair, I would recommend, and you want to blow dry it or whatever, put it in, dry it with a towel, or dry it with just a cotton t-shirt. You don't need to buy a special hair towel. Oh, my hair looks pretty crazy. You don't need to buy a special hair towel. You can just use a t-shirt, an old t-shirt you have laying around, and this is what you can use to dry your hair once you get out of the shower, because the towel is too rough for your hair. So that's what I do. So before I blow dry it, I'm going to take just like a wide tooth, there's lots of hair in it, just a wide tooth comb, and this is my natural hair. So it's very curly, crimpy, and it gets pretty large, and I'll probably insert a photo here of what it normally looks like when it's dry. But as you can see, it's very curly, and it's actually probably the healthiest and longest it's ever been in my whole life. So if you do have curly hair, I definitely recommend the Olaplex products. And I definitely, if you're going to use heat, I recommend the Dyson because it just keeps my hair so healthy. Before I use the Revlon blow dry brush, which I'll insert a photo here of it, and it definitely damaged my hair. So by using the Dyson, getting a small haircut, and then using Olaplex products now, it's like changed my hair, and it's so healthy. And I've gone probably like 4 months now without a haircut, and it's like so healthy and long. And anyway, that is such a long introduction, but I'm going to show you what I do. So I'm going to take the Olaplex Bond Smoother. So this is number 6. So this helps with repairing frizz. And then I'm going to take the Olaplex number 7, which is the bonding oil. So I just take a little bit of each, like literally all you need is a little, and you just mix them together. Just mix them together, and then you're just gonna, I flip my hair over and do it. And I just put it all over. Okay, so now that is through my hair, and like I said, like all you need literally is a pea size amount, and I have like a good bit of hair. It's not the longest, but well, it's long for me right now. Yeah, I have a lot of hair, so yeah. So put the covers back on that, and I'm just gonna run through the brush. Good. Now I'm just gonna find my part. And I literally use an eyebrow brush to find my part because I don't have a pick down here. And right now I'm sitting in my bathroom. You can probably hear my washing machine in the back. But yeah, I'm sitting here in my bathroom at my vanity. So yeah. Okay, so now that we're all sectioned off, what I do is I just take the Dyson, and I'll explain it here in a minute. So all I do is take the Dyson. So this is the base of it. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 attachments, if I'm counting correctly. And then this. So this is like your blow dryer part. So you just plug this in. You have your basic blow dryer, which is awesome. This is what you do to rough dry your hair before you get into either curling it or straightening it. And then you have 2 small curling wands, which I don't really use these that often because I like a bigger curl. So there's these ones, and then there's these 2. So basically why there's 2 is that you want your hair to point in different directions. So there's these 2, and then you have a straightening brush, and then you have another straightening brush. So this one's for thinner hair, so I don't really use this that often, but my mom and sister do sometimes. And then this is the one that I use. And then this is just like a round brush to do like a blowout kind of look. I don't use this one that much just because I like the curling ones the best. So yeah, that's what I do. So I'm just gonna cut to just rough drying my hair, and then I'm gonna put like music behind it because it is quite loud, like if you turn it on. So, as you can see, with a regular blow dryer, my hair does get a little bit frizzy, but not bad compared to a traditional one. So next, because I like my roots more like smooth up at the top, I normally switch out the attachment again, and I do the straightening brush. So I do this one with the little pink ends on it. Very easy to switch these heads off to. So I'm just gonna section my hair. Section this off. Right, so now we are about, I would say, so the goal is to get it like rough dried with this attachment, the blow dryer attachment, and then you can use this too. I use this to smooth, even though it doesn't look that smooth right now, but it will once I go in with the curling attachments. So I would say that if you have curly hair like me, you can't really get it that straight with just this. I would say that you do probably have to go over it with a straightener, just in my opinion. I could go straighter if I wanted to, but I know I'm gonna go in with these curling wand things. So how you use these is you look at the mirror, and then, so this goes on this side. You always want your hair pointing away from your face. So you just look in the mirror or a camera and you see what way you go. So I'm gonna start out with this side of my face, and I also probably should have showed you. So this is how you turn it on. It's quite loud. And then you have on this side, you have how like fast you want it to go, and then on this side you have the heat. So I always put it on the highest heat just because I want it to dry quicker. And then I just put it on the highest temperature, or the highest like speed. So that's how you do that. So I'm just gonna section my hair. Put it up in just these clips. Okay. And then I just section it, smooth it. And you want to take smaller sections. So basically what it's going to do, it's going to like, not spit out air, but like emit air, and it's going to wrap it around. So watch, I'll show you. So you go like this, and it's going to collect the hair, and it goes like right up by itself. one side, and it is quite curly, but once, just hold on a minute, and once I like go through and like detangle it, it's actually quite nice. And then we're gonna flip and do the other side. Now I'm just gonna brush my hair. Okay. And now we're just gonna switch off the heads, and it's not even like hot to touch, like it's just warm, so like you know it's not like damaging your hair that much. I mean, it still is heat, but it's not hot heat. Like if you saw me throughout that video, I can like touch it completely and it like is not that hot. So I'm just gonna section off more of my hair. Okay, so now we're gonna go in and I'll speed this up. Okay, so this is the final look, and it literally took me, I think, 15 minutes today, which like would never take me 15 minutes even to blow dry my hair, let alone blow dry it and style it at the same time. And I also was talking throughout the whole thing, so normally I just put on a YouTube video and I just get to work and just get it done. So now I'm just going to take, do I take this or do I take my other favorite stuff? I guess I'll use this today. So this is the Olaplex bonding oil again. So what I do is I'm just gonna put a little bit on my fingers, and I mean like just a little bit, and then I'm gonna start like almost like dragging through my fingers, and it's just kind of like make the curls looser, less defined. I'm gonna look less like founding father. And yeah, so I'm gonna do a little bit more on this side, and then it's just also like adds a little bit of shine. So I just go like this, and normally I'll just curl it, my hair at the bottom, and then whatever's left I just put into my roots, give it a little shake, and yeah, that is the look. So it's kind of like gives you like a volumized blowout. It's hard because I'm wearing a black shirt. My hair is very dark. So if you see it there, it's like curly and has some bounce to it. And it looks healthy. And yeah, I love it. I love like the kind of like, it's like a big curl at the bottom. There's some few curly pieces up here. And the great part of it is if you don't like a curl, all you do is like just run your fingers through it and just like reshape it, and it's more bouncy. And you could even too, like if you were going somewhere, like this is fine for me tonight because I'm just at home, but if you wanted to, you can just like touch up a few pieces or whatever. But for me, like as you saw, my hair is normally extremely frizzy if I blow dry it, like if I just use a regular blow dry attachment. Which is so great about this is because it like, I don't know what's in it that makes it like go untamed, like it makes it tame. I don't know if it's the products with it, but I've tried it without Olaplex, I've tried it with other products, and it still works awesome. So I have to say it's probably the hairdryer. I mean, it probably helps that I'm using good products with it too, but I totally recommend this. Like it's seriously, like I know it's so expensive, and like I totally understand why people don't buy it, but for me it's so worth it. I use it, my mom uses it, sometimes my aunts come up and use it, or I try to get my sister to use it. She doesn't like to use it that often, but it's seriously like the best thing ever. Like if you're someone who blow dries your hair like every day or often, like a lot during the week or whatever, it's so great. And I normally only like style my hair, so I'll do like touch-ups. Like tomorrow morning I might do a touch-up if I have like a conference call or something, or I'm going out or something like that. But this like wash and style will probably last me 6 days, which is like so crazy, because if I have my hair naturally curly, it probably lasts like looking good 2 days. So I'm getting so much more out of my shampoo and conditioner. My hair is healthier because I'm not washing it as frequently, and it still looks like so healthy and clean. But yeah, that's what I do. I hope it was helpful. I definitely think I love this, and I did get this used. I think it was only used like twice. So if you're looking for something but you don't want to pay full price, look around on Facebook Marketplace or on Instagram, or, you know, look around, because that's how I got mine. I've wanted one for literally so long. And would I pay full price for it? Knowing what I know now, yes, I definitely would. And it's funny, my mom was saying how if I moved out, she would probably buy one, because that's how she uses it every day, and she would normally just wear her hair natural. She would never like put heat on it or anything like that. So like, it's kind of crazy that she does her hair like every day before work. And it's so easy, so user-friendly, and it's like so easy to like take off the things. And like I showed you before, it comes in this beautiful like pleather, fake leather, whatever, bin thing, and it looks really nice on my counter, which I love. It's kind of a statement piece. Anyway, I love it, but you do with what you please, but I definitely recommend it. For my type of hair, it's so hard for me to curl my hair, style my hair, and make it look good and like not frizzy, not too big, because that's what I struggle with if I use like a regular blow dryer. And it replaces everything, which is so nice, which is why I think it's so much money. So I definitely recommend. But yeah, if you have any more suggestions of videos you would like me to do, or review, let me know. I love reviewing products, because I just love products, and I've been buying a lot of stuff lately, and I can do a whole separate video reviewing Olaplex if you want. But yeah, so I hope you really liked this video. Yeah, let me know down below what your favorite hair product is, favorite hair tool, stuff like that. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, bye!